Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create a good plan in Microsoft Premium Planner plan. Okay, first of all, what you should do, I'm in my, let's say, brand new plan. You should, okay, configure how your planner will look. By that, I mean you should put all fields which you want to see, okay, and you should arrange them as you want to be seen. So let's say I want a quick look to be on the my here, be between percentage of complete and total costs. You can see I have two custom fields which I also want to see. Okay, hide the rest. Okay, after that, do not, please do not do like something like task number 1, task number 2, task number 3, etc. It is not good practice. So let me walk you through what you should do. Okay, I'm going to delete task here, this one and this one and this one. And first of all, I will create project summary task. So I will say this is my first premium plan summary project task. And then I should, okay, create phases. Whatever that means, you should group your tasks. So if you have, let's say, some development which is going to be in multiple phases, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, or you want to design, deploy, develop and deploy in testing, then you can do it as well. So let's say that we want to do it in this way, design, okay? Now I will indent that task, okay, here, right click on this task, and I will indent this task, so I will make it as a subtask. Okay, you see, this is 1 by 1.1. And now I'm going to design the login screen, okay? For example, then, and I should put this task under design. So this is basically design is summary task for all design tasks. So I can put here, okay, design, okay, receivables screen, design payables, etc., etc. After that, I will jump to another, let's say, development or testing and deployment. So let me do it quick. I will stop my recording and I will continue after I put them here. Okay, you can see that I have now my project summary task. I have design, development, testing, and deployment. This is just an example. Two things more. Each and every phase should, if you are considering making a good project plan, have design milestones. For design, I have design done. For development, I have development done. For testing, I have testing done. For deployment, I have deployment done. And after all, the last task in my project premium plan will be the project milestone. Okay, so for milestones, I should put duration 0. Okay, so here I will put 0. Here I will put 0. Here I will put 0. Here I will put 0 as well, and here. And now dependencies. Dependencies are how tasks are connected. So let's say that after design logins that we have persons who can do in parallel design login screen, receivable, payables, and design done. First of all, let's say that for design the login screen, we need 1 day, for receivable 2 days, for payable 2 days. Okay, now for login screen development, I need 2 days, here 4 days, and here 4 days. For this is just example. For testing, I need 1 day. Here I need 5 days, and here I need 5 days. And for deployment, let's say that I need 2 days for each of those tasks. Now I have duration. Don't forget to put duration. Okay. When I put duration now, I can do it before or after the step I will show you, and that dependencies. Okay, so design the login screen will develop the login screen will depend on design login screen. So obviously you cannot develop until you are not the screen is not designed. So I'll put here 3. Okay. Finish to start. Here, I will put 4 because I cannot develop the receivable screen after before the design is not done. Okay, so I'll put it 4. I will put it here 5. Okay, here I can put 8, so I cannot test before development is done. Okay, so I will say here 9. Okay, and then 10. Here 10. And now I will go to deployment. Deployment cannot be done before it is testing. So I will set deploy the login screen is going to be done after the testing login screen is here. So 13, okay, then 14, 15, and 16. Okay, now let's look at the timeline. Okay, you see I here have some tasks which are connected, but it doesn't look good yet. Why? Let me go back to grid, and I should connect the design. Okay, design done, development done, testing done, and deployment done. So let me do it. Here you can see that design done milestone is finished when all those tasks are going to be finished. So I put here 3, 4, and 5 in design done as a predecessor or depends on. Okay. The same thing is with development. So development is done after all development is done, means task number 8, 9, and 10 here, as well as testing, task number 13, 14, and 15, deployment, task number 18, 19, and 20, and last but not least, the whole project is done when all milestones are done. So I put it here, task number 6, which is design done, task number 11, which is development done, task number 16, which is testing done, and task number 21, which is deployment done. Let's see on our timeline. Okay, so here we see that it looks good. We know exactly when it's going to be started, when it's going to be finished, so don't forget that. So to conclude this part of the story, every single group, like here, design, development, testing, and deployment, should have summary task and milestone. On the end, at the end of the project, you should have project milestone task. Okay, now you see that I have design, development, testing, and deployment. What will be good? It will be good that if here I have development, testing, let me here go design, and of course deployment. And what should I do? I should put it like here, okay, first design, then development, then testing, and then I can put milestones. Now I should put every single task in the right group, or from here, drag and drop. Okay, let's say design done, first premium plan done, first deployment done, testing done, but it is a quicker way here. And I go to grid, okay, here, and I have design here, and I will put bucket that is not development, it is design, Okay, and now I can just put Ctrl C and Ctrl V here. And here, milestones. Here is development, everything is good. Here I will go in testing, no testing. Okay, but this one is not good, this is milestone. And here I will put testing, testing. And here I will put deployment. Deployment, okay, let's here, deployment, and I can go here. Oh, come on. And I will copy it here. It's a little bit slow. Here, let's look at the board. It looks fine now. And last but not least, don't forget to assign people, one or more people, because if you don't have assignment, you will not get, you will not know the effort. And what is, where is the difference between duration and effort? I will show you in some of my next videos. But here I can go to assign, and let's say this is going to be done by John. This is going to be done by John. This is going to be done by, let's say, John and Mary, etc., etc. So I can go here now, okay, and put, you can see it is 8 hours are calculated. So I can put here Ellen and, for example, John, and you will see that they have 32 hours. So I'm not going to bother you with putting all resources, but when you put all resources, you will have your total efforts. Let me go to my ERP project, which is all done, created long time ago. So here I can see that I have 63 days. And if I add a column here, for example, effort, okay, I will see that I need 576 hours. So to conclude this video, first of all, have a project summary task, then have all tasks which are grouped, and the group should begin with group summary task like design, development, testing, etc. It should be finished by milestone. At the end, you should have milestone for the whole project. You should make good dependencies, okay, and then assignment. And that will end, of course, put the right task in the right bucket, create meaningful buckets. So that's all. Hope this helps. See you soon.